Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. I was stopped at a nice quiet intersection so I could actually intro the vlog today. Good morning. It is Vlogmas day 6, so it's the 6th of December today. I had a great sleep last night after editing the vlog at like 9 instead of like starting editing at like 8:30. I was like down, eyes closed, trying to sleep from like 10, which was lovely. I think I probably got to sleep at like 11 maybe. But I probably was like drifting for quite a while. Today's my work Christmas do. I'm really excited. We're going to a place that does like really good cocktails and there's like wood-fired pizzas and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty damn excited. I don't think I've ever been there before from memory, but I'm pretty stoked to go out for dinner. I don't know, I would want to say that I'm gonna be really good, but I don't think I am. Oh, for that was my Red Bull going flying. I'm taking ideas on what I should make for my lunches next week, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I'm kind of thinking I might do frittata because frittata's like pretty damn filling, and I like it because it's really easy to make. So let me know if you think that's a good idea, if you have another suggestion, keeping in mind that like I don't eat any vegetables, which is an unfortunate factor of my life, but such is life. And I think I'm slowly like getting over it though, because like my friend made nachos and it had heaps of onions in it because he was like, I'm not taking out the onions are pivotal in making a good, or did I say lasagna with her nachos? I think I said nachos. It was nachos, and he was like, they're pivotal, not taking them out. I was like, that's okay, I'll just pick them out. And anyway, I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna pick them out, I'm gonna see how I go. And it actually was fine. Like I couldn't really, in this particular instance, I couldn't really detect the what's it called, the onion, which was good because normally I'm like I can like taste it straight away. And then he also made like this like cabbage dish, which I didn't mind, but I didn't enjoy the texture of it, so I didn't gag immediately. So that's something new, isn't it? Because normally that was my old reaction. So I think we're kind of getting there, I guess. I don't know if you guys know this, but I like pineapple now, which you guys probably don't care, but for me this is like a big move. I never used to like pineapple because it was too fibrous, so I think I am finally getting over my textural issues to some extent, because I love pineapple. Like I've eaten like, not the whole thing, but I've been through like 4 pineapples in the last couple of months, which isn't that many pineapples, but for a person that doesn't eat fruit, that's a lot of pineapples. And obviously like I like strawberries as well. I actually like quite a few fruits now, and by quite a few I mean like 6 or 7, which though compared to before is a lot of fruits. What's up guys, it is like 3,000 degrees, just finished at work, and I'm just heading home to get ready before the Christmas do. If I have time I'll show you what I wear. I probably won't have time, to be fair, because it starts in like 0 minutes. It starts right now and I have to go home first. Am I sunburnt? I really hope not. Anyway, I just wanted to update you guys because I don't really know how much I'm going to be vlogging today, like I mentioned in one of my last few vlogs anyway. Yes, that's all I really have to say, so I'd come on just in case. This is what I'm wearing, you guys, to the work thing. I bought it last year, you would have seen it in last year's vlogs. I think I wore it on Christmas actually, but it's just got cherries on it. Doesn't fit like it used to, but it's pretty forgiving. So yeah, I'm not going to do my makeup because I don't have enough time at all, so I'm probably just gonna like spray some refreshing facial mist on and then go, because I can't be bothered doing makeup, to be honest. It's way too hot. I will see you guys when we get home later. So I'm back from my work Christmas do. It's like 10. I've been home for a few hours though. Is it 10? Yeah, like 10ish, but I've been back for quite a while. I just thought I'd come and chat to you guys before the end of the night, before I go to bed, because I feel like I have barely vlogged today, My camera actually died in the car this morning on the way to work, if you're wondering why there was like a weird cut, and then I forgot that I had no battery, so I filmed a really short clip on the way home from work. So if you're wondering why that clip, or both of the clips depending if I use the second one, why it ended abruptly, that is why. But I thought I would show you guys my top Lush picks for Christmas, or like my top picks from the Lush Christmas collection. As you guys may or may not know, I went to the Lush Christmas showcase. It was really cool. I went to the Queen Street store, and I love Lush Christmas. It's like my favorite Lush season. I also really like Easter, but Lush Christmas is my favorite. We got to look at and smell all of the products. It was beautiful. I absolutely love going into Lush and smelling everything, touching everything, feeling everything. And we made a bouche de Noël, which is a fresh face cleanser. I actually haven't tried mine. Mine's just underneath the sink. I have to give it a go. But it's like a Christmas version of the Angels on Bare Skin or something very, very comparable. But I thought I'd show you guys my top 5 picks from Lush Christmas. I got to pick 5 products to take from the event in my goodie bag. Plus we got like a mixed bag of like other products as well. Although these aren't the 5 that I chose. The only other thing that I chose was like got another Snow Fairy for my flatmate. It's just like a little gift because we don't have any Lush in that bathroom in the house, and I knew that she would love Snow Fairy, so let me show you guys. First I wanted to show you guys the kind of like outlier, because these two are like 2 different scents. This is a face mask, and it's a jelly face mask, and it's called Rudolph, and you guys, this smells so good. I don't know if I can undo this one-handed. No, hold on a sec. So it looks like this in the pot. I have to hold it really far away because of my focus range, sorry. But I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like squishy jelly, and you basically just scoop it out. It smells, by the way, like orange chocolate. Oh my gosh, it's so good. But you just like put it on your face, and it is a really, really nice face mask. I got one last year and I absolutely loved it. It's got cocoa powder, orange oil, and kaolin clay. So the kaolin clay will pull out impurities, and I do really, really like this. It's a nice little size. It's not too expensive. I'd highly recommend this if you just want to get like a face mask. Now, rather than just showing you favorite products, I thought I'd show you my 2 favorite scents. I mean, we can start over here with Snow Fairy. I do have a Snow Fairy shower gel, but it's nearly empty, so I thought I'd just show you guys these 2. I will be buying another Snow Fairy soon before the end of the Christmas season. I just didn't get one from the event. But I do have the Snow Fairy body spray, which is freaking amazing. This is quite expensive, but like, if you guys love Snow Fairy, this is a must-have. And it also lasts, I don't think you'd actually like have it for that long, but it lasts for like 4 years, so it doesn't expire. It smells just like Snow Fairy. So, so, so nice. And then I have one of these in Snow Fairy and one of these in Yognog. These are huge. I don't think you guys can tell how huge they are. Like, they're like proper massive size. These are the body conditioners. Sorry, I was sick of not having my face in the clip, so I've just changed it to my face. But these are the body conditioners, and what these are is basically an in-shower moisturizer. So I wash my body with the matching scent. You don't have to have the matching scent, but I do, seeing as I have both of them. I have it in Snow Fairy and in Yognog, which I'll get to. By the way, if you guys have never smelled Snow Fairy, it just smells like candy, sweet bubblegum kind of smell. It's like a Christmas favorite from Lush. I always buy a new one every year. I always buy the full size, the big 500 gram one. I don't buy the litre or the kilo because that's just crazy. I don't think I'd get through it. I barely even get through like probably a litre of body wash in a whole year, and I like to have more than one smell. But anyway, this is a really, really good product. I like to wash my body with the body, like the normal body wash, and then I put this on my whole body, or usually just my arms, actually pretty much my whole body, but not my face obviously. And then I just kind of like leave it for like a minute and then wash it off. And I just make sure when I'm drying myself to like pat myself dry, I like to like rinse my body off and like rub it in just to kind of like get it off, because it does have like, I don't know if it has coconut oil, but it's got jojoba oil, avocado butter, mango butter, cocoa butter. So it's like very, very moisturizing, and kind of like, it can be a bit greasy. So I always like to like try and give it a rub. You could probably like wash it off afterwards, but I feel like that defeats the purpose. Then the other product that's new this Christmas, well, this product, I've got so much in, this actual product is new, but they've had like soaps in the Yognog scent, they've had bath bombs. Yognog, you guys, this is, I don't want to say it's my favorite, I don't want to say that anything could beat Snow Fairy, but like, if anything could beat Snow Fairy, it's this. It doesn't smell as good out of the shower. No Lush stuff does. This still smells great, don't get me wrong, but it smells like caramel. So good. It's glittery. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it's like gold glitter amazingness, and you smell like a sweet treat. And then obviously the matching shower body conditioner is the same. I don't know if you can tell, but this one, you might be able to tell on the bottom, you might be able to see it, but there are like sparkles in this, so when you use a body conditioner you have sparkles on your skin, which is really, really nice. So you can get this in 3 different sizes, I believe, like a little mini pot, like slightly bigger than this, a 250 gram pot, and then the big pot. You can get the body washes in 4 sizes. So there's like a 125 ml, I think, like a 300ml with 250. There's like multiples anyway. So if you wanted to get somebody like a little set, like a small body conditioner and a small body wash, you could do that. Or you could just be crazy and buy the big ones. I don't need 2 of these, by the way. I could have 1 and it would last me like an eternity. I just got 2 because I got them very, very luckily as PR from the event. These last a long time. But yeah, those are my Lush Christmas picks, and that brings us to the end of the vlog because I have to go to bed. Hope that you guys have had a really great day. I know that I've had a really nice day. I'm excited to relax tomorrow. I've got the weekend, and then it's the second to last week of term, which is crazy. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with my next Vlogmas video. Bye!